Hello and welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the components. So, to make a component, what you need to write things like that. Here we have some JSX. I'm deleting that JSX because I do not want it anymore, because I want to make this component look easier for you. So there are a lot of things we have done with the now save it. Here I'm deleting that too because we do not need that. This is a very simple function, and this function has nothing big, just two elements. Now this is a component, the very basic form of the component. You can see that the function, then here is the app, and there is a return. We're returning these things to the function. One more thing, that if we write something a single line here, we do not need this parentheses. We can write it right here. For example, the P, and here we can write something like hello world. This is now, so this would actually work if you have something more than that, more than a single line. So you may need to use the parentheses. This is not the rule of the return. Return doesn't need these things. If you're writing the JSX, you need to follow this structure. If you're writing something multiple linear, so you have to follow this structure. Anyway, I'm going to the browser. I'm going to the terminal first. I'm going to the terminal right here, and I'm running the code. So I'm going to run the local server. Now I need to write the npm start, so it's gonna load the server, and I'm having some problems in it. It says I got it. Actually, I'm in the React folder, and I need to go. React is the main folder. This is the main React folder. We need to go inside that folder first. So cd master React. This is the subfolder we have inside the React. Now we are in the master React, and now the npm start. Now it's gonna run, and you're gonna get that. React script start, and the master React and etc. It's processing, and we're gonna get the server run. Now it started the development server. Actually, it's starting, and it's gonna be in the browser, and now it's live. Now you can now view the master React in the browser. Now here is a link, and absolutely this link is already opened in my browser, so I even do not need to click on this link because it's there already. So you can see that it was right here. You can see that the return is working, the hello world is working. But if you want to add something multi-linear, so you need to add the parentheses. It is a rule of the JSX to make the multi-linear content. So I'm doing that right now, like that. P hello from the other side. Saving. Now going back to the browser. I'm doing something wrong. One more thing I forgot, that when you're going with the multi-linear JSX, you need something like that. So I need to add all the content inside this, the other one, like that. And a tablet. So now it's multilinear, and it's absolutely gonna work here in the browser. You can see that. So anyways, what more we need is to understand the functional and the class component. There are two kind of components, the functional and the class components. This is absolutely a functional component. You can see that, a function. So what's the basic difference between them? A functional component is absolutely similar to the function of the JavaScript. It is just like a function. So you can receive the arguments here, which are called props in the React anyway. So you can receive the props here, which are called the arguments in the JavaScript. Arguments, parameters, etc. So you can receive those things right here in the app, and then here you can just use that in the JSX. So anyway, The class is a little different. The class has more features, additional features, a little more coding, but you need to know both.